that were caused during the constructions. So here we are. This is the tarmac. Wow, it's already old. You can clearly see that is the tarmac. So today also happens to be a market day at Namuwongo KCCA market. This is it. Vegetables, fruits, cereals, saucepans, that is kitchenware. Now that we are heading into the Christmas season, those are some of the things people need to store. Serious buyers. So I'll be walking along the railway line. The train used it earlier today. While I was the other side, I saw it. We can move on. Where can I take? I think I should go through eggplants, the garden eggs, Irish, avocado, passion fruit, bread. That's how it looks like. Looks good. It's a rainy afternoon and we are going to be taking on the 8th street, which is this one, but we are going to take it on from this other side. So let's walk past this roundabout. I just wanted to show you how active it is in these times. So around here, it's one of the railway lines that are active, by the way. The one that was worked upon recently is the other side, so this one has not been worked upon, but still functioning. The dredgers are going to want to fail because they are coming from this way, and if I point my camera there, it simply means they will drop on the camera. Anyway, so we are going to take on the other road. The last time we came here, it was not in good conditions. I see at the moment, can I call them engineers, technicians, trying to measure things here and there, even under the rain. So I think they are determined. According to what I know, this project must end this year. Hopefully the quality is maintained, but most of the projects are rushed through. They just rush through and have it done. So we are heading towards Namuwongo. This place is called the 8th Street. So we shall be taking on towards Namuwongo. So if you follow this road, it can as well take you to the rich neighborhoods of Bukasa, Muyenga Bukasa. One of those legendary neighborhoods. So according to what I know, according to the KCCA Twitter handle, they came tamaking from the other side and then they are coming to this other side. Remember, these were one of those bad areas, sorry, that were caused during the constructions. Hopefully you see through the mirrors even when it is drizzling, because I don't know if it gives clear views. So according to the KCCA Twitter handle, where we are heading, it is tarmacked. They started tarmacking. That's what I am curious, that's what I want to find out. While they expanded this area, they had not expanded it initially, and now they have expanded it, working onto the drainage, making it more firm. Wow. So it was as narrow as this. I'll not be afraid of saying these things. Let me even clean the camera. The quality of the soil they are using, it looks like that soil, if you have ever seen a toilet being dug, that soil that comes out from down. At some moment, that's what it looked like the other side. Hopefully it is good marram. So the drainage dies from here. So this way they have not worked onto the drainage, but it looks like they've worked and then made everything leveled. This is the old drainage. So according to plans, this one is not supposed to be there if they are to continue the drainage towards the other side. Also, the Daily Monitor or the Nation Media is also not supposed to be there because the road will be narrow. Anywho, they said the budget is very low, they didn't have enough money. That's why they've worked with the available space. So let's continue to the other side where the working is going on. Help me like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the bell button. Up and down, I've been sick, but I'm back in full swing. Not yet fully recovered, but I'm back in full swing. That road takes you to Chivuli, a neighborhood known for the Islamic faith, just like Kawempe. So this one continues towards Chisugu, those other sides. So around here, this is where we have Monitor Publications, Daily Monitor by Nation Media. It is the home of Daily Monitor, Nation Courier, KFM, Dembe FM. By the way, we have oil reserves up there. This is the Namuwongo industrial area. The oil reserves are there. People that were complaining of the ones in Banda, saying, what if there happens an accident? Can they explode into the people? Anyway, hopefully they are protected very well. The trees around here, 3 of them were cut down. I think also these ones will be cut down. It is raining in Bukoto, the other side. there, the rain is over there. Hopefully we get clear views once we head to this other side. It has also not rained a lot in Kampala, in the downtown. Even here it has rained. You can clearly see on the veranda, and the water has collected. So this area was mixed with concrete stones, marram and concrete stones mixed together. So the next step, we expect the stone-based water compaction. Then they start laying the other layers of tarmac that have gotten different oils. These are the oil reserves. They are for Vivo Energy. People have been laughing at me that chicken pox is for younger kids, not for people like me. The truth is, it has really pinched me, and it is still pinching me. At some point I was like this. I used to do like this, and now you can clearly see here I have some here in the head. So that's why I have not brushed my hair, by the way. And also that's why I have not even shaved, because if I shave it will be worse for me. But hopefully by the end of this week I'll be very safe. So here we are. This is the tarmac. Wow, it's already old. You can clearly see that is the tarmac. So this is the tarmac. This area was tarmacked. I'll try to find out where they reached. If not, I'll get on a board and then take you to this other side until where they have recently tarmacked or where they started from. Guys, the tarmac was laid already and it looks old, maybe because of the dust, and they're still working onto the walkways, which they have not yet even started working upon. The drainage channels as well, they are still open. Are doing some works. So as I was still going, I noticed that the tarmac ends around here. Let me go there and then start from there as I come to this other side. This is where the tarmac starts as you're going the other side, or it ends as you're coming from the other side, around here. Well, the road has changed. Tarmacking it has changed the road, but the width still remains the same. Hopefully this won't affect the traffic in other areas. Maybe if it's in good conditions, cars will move faster than the other time they used to have time to dodge the traffic, like the potholes. Here it will be more easier. Anyway, let's hope for that. They're still working onto the drainage channels, like this one here. They're still open, meaning they'll be extending it towards the sides of the market. And around here, I think this is where we have the KCC hospital in Chisugu. It is in front the other side, after the market. And this road takes you down to the industrial area, down there. But a normal person, why would you play loud music as if you're in a disco in a car? I don't find it sensible. Anyway, it's not my car, it is his car. But I'm just saying, I think I've never had or seen a video from countries like those developed countries and people are playing loud music while they drive, and he is alone. Anyway, it's better I mind my business as the year is ending. So this is how the road looks like. They have worked upon it. It's ready for tarmacking, just like the other side they've already tarmacked. This is a simple hardware. It is called Ranis hardware. Just like those ones. Mangoes, pineapples, watermelons, they all are made from here. So this is Starbucks Namuwongo. So we are already at Kumusambu zone. Let's walk up to the market and around the market. I'll call it the end. Hopefully you've liked the video. Subscribe to the channel as well. The Muyenga tank hill is up there. I can see the tanks from here. It's a small structure. It's gonna be like, I think, a plaza. This is chance to construct. This was a residential property, and now it is going to become a business arcade. All because of the road. Businesses will easily thrive because the road is good and people will be passing by. So I was talking about how narrow the road is. Hopefully you understood my points. Like, you see where these people are parked at the moment. Like, they are not going to have where to park. They will have to park in the middle of the road to do whatever they want to do, shopping or what. they'll park in the middle of the road. So those are some of the reasons I'm saying what I'm saying. This building looks incomplete, and that's how they joined it, and it has been like that for quite some time. That's the area around there. The railway line is what I meant. Yeah, the KCCH Sugu Hospital is somewhere up here. So this soil was mixed with concrete stones and then made firm. So as I'm going back, those are the taxis that are going to be taking me back home. So this is the side of the railway. It's more of a low, I don't want to call it a ghetto or what, but that's why it is, where people stay. Because the railway land is free, it's public land. So they settled around there. That's where they survive from for years now. As we head this way, it gets busier. I thought they had constructed up to this other side, or they had tarmacked up to this other side, but they haven't reached this way. But hopefully they'll be here early January or February. This is where we have the Namuwongo KCCA market, and this is where the tarmac ends around here. Around here. So today also happens to be a market day at Namuwongo KCCA market. This is it. Vegetables, fruits, cereals, saucepans, that is kitchenware. Now that we are heading into the Christmas season, those are some of the things people need to store. Yeah. From me to you, I wish you the happiest holidays. And I think we should maybe let's go and enter inside this way, inside the market. This is where we shall end the video from. Hopefully you like it. Subscribe to the channel. The rains, the effects of the rain. That's why it's a bit wet around here. Effects of the rains. It wasn't too much. It just drizzled. And this is what we have now. People had covered their merchandise to protect it from rainfall. Others have already opened because they know the season we are in is the season for buying. Serious buyers. So I'll be walking along the railway line. The train used it earlier today. While I was the other side, I saw it. Indian Ocean. As I wind up the video, I'm trying to also find where I will get something to eat, because man, the stomach is demanding and I have to give it what it wants. So it continues to the other side, but my interest is this way. This is the fish section. So after they cut off the meats, there's other remainings like the bones and the head. People buy them and they make good soup, and they would eat ugali very well. Yep. So I've left the other part, the other side, and I'm going to get out from here. Call it the end of the video. Maybe next time, once I'm covering the Kisugu neighborhoods, I'll come back into the market and give it to you in detail. We can move on. Where can I take? I think I should go through eggplants, the garden eggs, Irish, avocado, passion fruit, bread. That's how it looks like. Looks good. Or maybe we can go this other side. It's the section of vegetables, cabbages, greens, the different ones. Yeah. Some even ease for you the process. They'll cut them into fine pieces ready for you to cook. I think I'll end here. I've already done that other side. Let's go and get out from here. Namuwongo, the market. So we are getting out from here. So we are back around here. Thank you for watching to this very end. I want to say bye-bye till the next one. I'm out. Peace.